Hey guys. So here is part 3 on the John Deere 425 restoration. Sorry, I have to get my gloves on here. But as you can see, it's mostly back together now. I got this all bolted down here. Yeah. Still have to get a sticker for right there, but it's no big deal right now. Paint turned out great. I'm really happy with it. Still not done with painting yet. I have to paint the new hood that's coming in, and a new side panel whenever I find one. But mostly done now. I can use it now, and yeah, I got this one done. Still have to put the grill in. Probably do that tomorrow. Maybe tonight. We'll see. Yeah, I also got a quick hitch. Got my quick hitch I was telling you about yesterday. Finally. After 3 days of waiting. Yeah. Sold my 318 quick hitch Sunday or Saturday night. And for $600. Bought this one for $400. So I get to keep some money there. I had to buy connectors there, because from factory this one came with just those. It didn't come with hookups for quick hitch or anything. It was an option on the 425s with or without those connectors. 455 and the 445 factory came with those, so it was no matter what, they came with those on the bigger model, which basically they're the same thing. I think the 445 has 22 in it, and I know the 455 has, I think it's 18 horse Yammer diesel, but I know it has a Yammer in it, so yeah, so it's just rusting there. Nothing special. Junk hood. What's up with this dash? It's not moving. Finally get to hear it run in a video. Yeah, runs really good, like I told you in my last video, but the battery died. I have a brand new one in it now, but it's all good. But yeah, super happy with this thing. Yeah. Here's the grill for it. Plop that in tonight. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys in update 4, which I don't know what's going to be in update 4, actually. Probably, most likely, definitely will be the hood, but that'll be probably a week or so from now. Yeah. See you guys then.